Chapter 10, Planning Effective Curriculum. This chapter will review what a curriculum is, what is involved in creating an effective curriculum, and the various approaches you can use when developing and implementing your curriculum. A curriculum is a written plan that includes what the teacher wants their students to learn, or goals, and how it will be implemented, including learning experiences, materials needed, and the teaching strategies that will be used. There are four main types of written curriculum plans, including research-based curriculum, teacher-developed curriculum, locally developed curriculum, and published curriculum. There are several indicators of effective curriculum, including the curriculum goals that are clearly defined. The curriculum is comprehensive and evidence-based. The curriculum is connected to professional standards. The curriculum involves active learning. The curriculum is developmentally appropriate. The curriculum builds on prior knowledge and experiences of students. The curriculum is culturally and linguistically appropriate. And the curriculum is adaptable to the individual differences in students. Standards have a critical role in curriculum development. They help to guide curriculum and ensure that developmentally appropriate, comprehensive, and aligned with other standards, such as the Pre-K-3 standard alignment. There are several types of standards including the following: learning standards, which focus on student learning; content standards, which focus on what students should know or be able to do within a specific subject, such as math, English, or science standards; performance standards focus on skills that students should be able to do at a particular time in their education, also known as benchmarks. Within the text, the author discusses planning a curriculum for three age groups: infants and toddlers, preschoolers and kindergartners, and school-age students. Choose one age group and describe how you would plan and create a developmentally appropriate curriculum. Within the text, there are several types of curriculums described, including the following: emergent, integrated, thematic, project, high scope, and creative curriculum. The emergent curriculum is based on the children's interest and is responsive to individual and cultural variations. The teacher develops tentative plans when implementing an emergent curriculum. They adjust and evaluate the curriculum plans as needed. An integrated curriculum addresses learning goals across multiple areas. The curriculum addresses many learning goals in a limited instructional period of time. A thematic curriculum is organized around a broad topic, which allows it to build deeper conceptual understanding of the topic. This type of curriculum is associated with increased motivation. The project approach is a curriculum that has children engaged in projects or investigations. These are in-depth studies of real-world topics. The project approach is done in three main phases. 1. Identify children's interests. 2. Prepare for investigation. And 3. Culminate the event. The high-scope curriculum is validated through research. It involves a plan, do, review process. High scope focuses on key developmental indicators and is widely used in Head Start and public pre-kindergarten programs. The creative curriculum places an emphasis on the learning environment. Teachers act as a facilitator of learning, and the curriculum goals are based on a developmental continuum. Webbing is a planning tool that a teacher can use to do the following: plan out concepts to be learned, brainstorm ideas for teaching and learning, planning for children with special needs. Within the text, there is an example of a concept webbing. Create one for a topic of your choice. Please send to your instructor a video of it via the course inbox. What is the difference between scope and sequence? Scope is a particular focus of the curriculum at a given point in time. That is how much of a large content area will be taught. Sequence is the order in which the knowledge and skills will be taught. A child-centered curriculum planning model is comprised of four main parts: conceptual organizers, continuum of development and learning, discipline-based knowledge, and child development knowledge. Think about how you could use this planning model to plan a child-centered curriculum. What additional resources would you need to make it happen? Be prepared to share in class.